love me baby, you jelly, yeah. See, I slap police for your kiss, so I go to war for your kiss, so I go to court for your kiss, so I climb the bridge for your kiss, so enter hotel for your kiss, so I punch the church for your kiss, so anything you want, baby, just tell me, baby, for your kiss, oh, le 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 le, for your kiss, oh, baby, oh, nah, eh, for your kiss, oh, baby, baby, for your kiss, oh, baby, oh, nah, 'cause my papa no beat and go say, oh, I tell we go, tell yeah, my papa no beat and go say, oh, I tell we go, tell yeah. See, I go wash your teeth for your case. I go slap back Peru for your case. I go call him see Oluwamba. I go disturb everybody. I go wash your teeth for your case. I go slap back Peru for your case. I go call him see Oluwamba. I go disturb all of them. So tell me, what the hell are you waiting for? If not to chop into me, if not to suck gari, yeah. What the hell are you waiting for? If not to fry akara, if not to soak akamu, oh, for your kiss, oh, baby, baby, for your kiss, oh, baby, oh, nah, for your kiss, oh, le, 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 for your kiss, oh, nah, 'cause my papa no be Dangote, oh, we go tell yeah, oh, Dangote, oh, we go tell baby, baby. I go shorty for your kiss. I go slap back the road for your kiss. I go call and see Oluwamba. I go disturb everybody. I go shorty for your kiss. I go slap back the road for your kiss. I go call and see Oluwamba. I go report all of them. But tell me, what the hell are you waiting for? Love me, baby.
Thank you, Lami.